Hi there, I'm McKayla Barton. I'm in the 3-year Business Administration Marketing program. I am currently in my 2nd year, almost at its end, and I am heading into my 3rd year this fall. The services that have helped me here at Durham College are honestly all of them. Durham College truly does make the student experience come first, and they offer a variety of services to ensure that every little bit of help that you need, you can get. Whether it's the RISE program, which supports students in any way that they need, or the Wellbeing Center, that if you're having a mental health issue or crisis, you have someone to talk to and provide you with the help that you need. Or even SALS, which is amazing because they provide you with a peer tutor for any subject that you may need help in. Anytime that I've had any concerns, issues, or questions, my student advisors or professors have been able to solve or answer them for me. And this has made my experience at Durham College the very best out of any school that I've attended. By being able to live at home and commute to DC every day, I still have time to spend with my family and friends while still going to school, and that has made all the difference in my college experience.